Trim Pure Texture. In today's video, I'm going to be installing 2 sets of their Jasmine Coil texture in 20 inches. This texture is absolutely beautiful. It's kinky, it's coily, and it just stretches out so beautifully after washing it and detangling it. This is what the true texture looks like after thoroughly brushing it through and giving it a nice shampoo. The curls are just beautiful and the stretch is nice and long. Each bundle comes with 7 sets of clip-ins. For an easier experience at home with these clip-ins, I do recommend that you detangle and you define your curls before you apply the clip-ins. That way you can avoid the overwhelmed feeling of a lot of hair and trying to thoroughly define each section of hair. I just